everyone, and welcome back to 7-6 Ground School Chick. Today we're going to walk through the official engine start procedure for the Cessna 172 Sierra with steam gauges, not the G1000. We can do that in another video if you like. Let me know if you're interested in that down in the comments. We are using the official POH checklist, so you're getting the real deal. Ready? Let's jump in. First, throttle open about 1/4 inch. Mixture goes lean, pulled all the way out to idle cutoff. Master switch on. Battery side for now. We're checking fuel gauges for quantity and making sure avionics are off to avoid a voltage spike at engine start. Check that the beacon light is on. This warns others that the aircraft is about to become active. If the engine is cold, we need to prime it. Turn the fuel pump on, then push the mixture full ridge until you see a fuel flow indication, usually 3 to 5 seconds. Then pull mixture back to idle cutoff and fuel pump off. Next, we yell, "Clear prop!" Yes, even in the sim, that builds muscle memory. Now, turn the engine switch to start. As soon as the engine fires, release the key and smoothly advance the mixture to full ridge. Immediately then, we check the oil pressure to see that it's rising into the green within 30 seconds. If not, shut it down. Now, turn on the alt side of the master switch. Then check your ammeter. It should show a slight charge. Also, verify the annunciator panel. Make sure you don't see a low volts light. Turn on the avionics master switch. Radios, transponders, and nav instruments will now power up. Then, turn on other lights as required, like nav lights, taxi lights, or strobes, depending on your environment. Let the engine warm slightly, then set your idle RPM to 1000. And begin checking instruments and brakes as you start your taxi. And that's how to properly start a Cessna 172 Sierra with steam gauges, just like the checklist says. Got a tricky startup story? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.